Godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, just gave the most important AI interview of 2025. And what he revealed will blow your mind. In the next few minutes, you're going to hear 8 shocking truths about artificial intelligence, truths that 99% of people have no idea about. From career advice that no one expects, to the real possibility of human extinction. Let's dive in. 1. Superintelligence is coming sooner than you think. Geoffrey Hinton says we'll have superintelligence between 10 and 20 years from now. Not 50, not a century. We're talking a decade or two. And it's not just about the future, it's already here. Hinton shared a real example of one CEO who cut down his team from 7,000 to 3,600 employees this year. And by summer, it'll drop to 3,000. Why? AI agents are now doing 80% of the customer service. 2. Why digital intelligence will beat us. Humans can share about 10 bits of information per second. AI systems, trillions. They're not just faster, they're billions of times better at sharing information. And here's the mind-bender. We've solved the problem of immortality, but only for digital things. If a human dies, knowledge is gone. If an AI dies, just restore it on new hardware. 3. The career advice nobody expected. When asked what job is safe from AI, Hinton didn't say engineer or coder. He said, train to be a plumber. Why? Because AI isn't good at physical tasks yet, but jobs like legal assistants, not going to be needed for very long. So if you're choosing a career, choose one that requires hands-on real-world skills. 4. A 20% chance AI could end us. Yes, Hinton actually said this. There's a 10 to 20% chance they'll wipe us out. Let that sink in. This isn't sci-fi. No, this is one of the world's top AI pioneers, comparing our future to a game of Russian roulette with humanity. 5. We can't stop it. Even if we want to slow it down, we can't, Hinton said. We're not going to slow it down, because it's too good for too many things. Countries are competing. Companies are legally bound to maximize profits, so the race won't stop, no matter how risky it is. 6. His biggest regret. At 77, Hinton opened up about something deeply personal. I wish I'd spent more time with my wife and with my children when they were little. Both his wives died of cancer. He admits he was obsessed with work, and now tells others to value time with loved ones over everything else. 7. What you can actually do. Want to protect yourself from the AI wave? Hinton's honest answer. There's not much they can do. The best hope. Pressure their governments to force big companies to work on AI safety. Individual efforts are important, but system-wide action is critical. 8. The coming wealth apocalypse. Hinton gave a chilling example. His niece's job used to take 25 minutes per task. With AI, now just 5 minutes, same person, 5x productivity. But here's the catch. The people who get replaced will be worse off, and the company that supplies the AIs will be much better off. That's how the middle class disappears. Even universal basic income might stop people from starving. But it won't fix the loss of purpose, the dignity crisis, or the mass unemployment that's coming. Hinton warns this could create very nasty societies with mass jails. This wealth shift isn't slow, it's a cliff. So now you've heard it. From superintelligence to mass job loss, from career shifts to societal collapse. This isn't a movie plot. This is the real future, according to Geoffrey Hinton. What do you think about AI's rise? Are we racing toward innovation or extinction? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like if this opened your eyes, subscribe for more future-shaping insights. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay human,